In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can place an order on AliExpress without paying. Now, some people want to wait for seller to reduce the price, like they are waiting for seller discount so that the price on the item will be reduced by the seller. Some people are dropshippers. They want to pay for items at once. They want to place, for example, 10 orders, and then after that they pay for the item, for all the items at once. Now, here is exactly how you can create an unpaid order on AliExpress. It's easy and quick. The first thing, you want to just select which order you want, for example, like which product, sorry. After you select the product, you want to click on buy now. Okay, now I'm going to show you guys how you can place an order now without paying. Okay, you will see it in your orders and it will say they're paying now. Okay, now after that, after you click on buy it now, it will take you to this page. You want to click on select payment method and you want to click on add new card. Okay, now you just want to add here random information. I just come up with these numbers. As you can see, I will leave this information in the description of this video. So the card number is this one, and the month and year is this one. Month is January 1. Okay, and the year is 49. Now these information are not real. They are we just want to use this information to, you know, to place an order without paying. And the CVV is this one. It's 730, and after that the name doesn't matter. You can add any name here and then click on save and confirm. Okay, now after that you want to click on place order. Okay, click on pay now, and now you have successfully created and paid order. Please drop a like, click on your account and then click my orders, and you will see here the product and it will say they're paying now. Now you want to wait for the price. If you want, you can contact the seller here and tell him, hi, please can you reduce the price, and you will find that this price will be reduced, and then after that you can then pay now. You click on pay now. So if this video helped you, please drop a like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments if this works. See you guys in the next video.